All right, so we are gonna be starting off with the funnest part of the video. What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're gonna be drop testing the Google Pixel 8 with the DBRAND grip case. And just so y'all can see, yes, this is a working device. We don't use no dummy devices on the channel here. So fully functional, fully working Google Pixel 8 Pro right here. And yeah, we are going to be drop testing it with this grip case to see just how protective it is. And I thought I'd let you guys know that yes, I am using a tempered glass screen protector, which is not as durable as the actual display itself. So if the case is actually able to protect this tempered glass screen protector from breaking, cracking, scratching, then we know this case is doing its job. But I like to start off with a few real world drop tests. So, for instance, sometimes, we're sitting down on a chair, maybe the phone is face down on your lap, you forget it's there, it's time to get up and go, the phone falls on the ground, or maybe the phone is facing face up, and same thing, you get up, you forget it's on your lap, falls on the ground, or maybe you're trying to, you're walking along, you're trying to put it in your pocket and you miss, and the phone falls again, or maybe you have a pocket on your shirt like I do here. You're trying to put it in. Maybe, the phone's a little bit too big for your pocket and you miss and it falls again. Or maybe you're talking on the phone. Maybe somebody mean decides to come by and just, hit it out of your hand while you're talking on the phone. Or maybe you just accidentally drop it while, you're talking on the phone. Or maybe, you have a very protective case covering this device in your hand and you just want to, just kind of throw it around for fun and to see if it'll protect the phone that way. And let's check it out real quick. So let's see. I don't see any cracks, any scratches on the display. Everything is still looking good. As you can see there, no cracks, no scratches. The back camera lenses seem to be working good as well. I just got my fingerprints back there and that is it. And a lot of people seem to like when I do this. So let me go ahead and move this chair over here. I got the little basketball court right here, and let's see if I, I'm dribbling the phone, right? And I try to make the shot. Woo! I made it, so y'all better subscribe for that. Just made it. Let's take one last look at it right here. Looking at the display, looking good, no cracks, no scratches. Those camera lenses are looking good as well. Let's go ahead and take the phone out of the case. Now this is where I don't want to drop it. And even the back of the phone is looking good in that beautiful blue color right there. So, as you can see, when it comes to the DBRAND grip case, dropping the Pixel 8 Pro multiple times on hard concrete floor, I mean, it's definitely going to protect your Google Pixel 8 Pro. But now that we've done the little drop test here, let's go ahead and head inside and take a closer look at the case and how it fits on the device itself. All right, so we have made our way back into the office as you can see here. And I gotta give a big thanks and shout out to DBRAND for actually sponsoring the rest of this video. No, they did not ask me to do the drop test, which is why I didn't mention it at the beginning of the video. That drop test was all on me. It's just something that I like to do when it comes to protective cases like this. And as you can see, it definitely protected our Google Pixel 8 Pro. But for the remainder of this video, I do got to give a big thanks and shout out to DBRAND for sponsoring this video. Now, aside from the amazing protection that we get with the DBRAND grip case here, because that is one of the main things that I love about this case is the protection that we get, the drop protection, the slide protection, just sliding your phone around like this, it's going to give it enough lift, which we will take a look at here in a bit, but it gives it enough lift to where that display doesn't hit any flat surface, so it won't get scratched and you don't risk it getting cracked either. But aside from the amazing protection we get, another thing that I love about the grip case here is being able to switch up the back here, to change up the whole look. I don't have to buy multiple cases just to keep my phone protected, but switch up the look. I can keep using the same exact case right here and just switch out the skins in the back. So as you can see here, right now I have the tear down skin, which is really, really cool on the back of this device. We're basically looking into the internals of the Pixel 8 Pro here, but they also have tons of other options to choose from. They went ahead and sent me out some more skins here. We have the Obsidian skin right here. We have the Triple Black, I believe this is called, right here, which is one of my favorites. We got the Acid right here, another one of my favorites, very, very cool. Got a matte white skin right here. And then the Glitch Camo skin, which is actually looking really cool. And then they have tons more to choose from on their website as well. But I also have another grip case right here, which actually has their real black leather right here. Look at that, looking really good. Let's actually throw this on the Pixel 8 Pro really quick. I'm still gonna have that tear down skin on the camera module there, but look at that. Looking oh so good, and it feels good. It even smells like real leather as well. And then of course they have a light brown leather and the dark brown leather as well. Like I said, tons of options to choose from on their website. But moving on back to the grip case here, first off, let's go ahead and see what it sounds like just putting it on this device, because it snaps on really good. Listen to this. Get a nice snap right there, and it fits nice and secure on there. You really have to put some pressure to pop it off the corner, but it fits on really, really good. And if you look sideways like this, you're getting a good amount of lift at the top and the bottom, to where if you accidentally drop it flat down on a flat surface like this or slide it around like I mentioned earlier, it should prevent this screen right here in the front from getting scratched or damaged if you happen to set it down on a flat surface or slide it around on a flat surface or accidentally drop it face down. Then going back to the camera module, as you can see, even if you decide not to put the skin on the camera backing right here, you're still getting a good little lift right there, to where if you do have your phone flat down on a flat surface like this on its back, it's still giving it enough lift to where those camera lids in the back don't hit that flat surface, so don't touch it while you're sliding the phone around like that, so you don't have to risk those lenses getting scratched up. And then looking at the top, we get a little cutout for that microphone. Going down to the bottom, we get precise cutouts for the speaker microphone and the charging input. Nothing over here to the left except some great grip, which is why this is called the grip case. We get grip all along the side with a little extra texture here down at the bottom, all at the top, all at the bottom, and even on the right side, along with the power button and volume rockers, which works great, nice and clicky, nice and responsive. Let's go ahead and check out the volume rockers. Nice and clicky, nice and responsive. And the volume rockers actually have some added texture there, so you can be able to tell the difference between the volume rockers and the power button. The power button has more of a smooth feel to it, and then again, some added texture down here at the bottom. But this case definitely provides some great grip all the way around, and it's definitely not going to slip out of your hand. It's not going to slip out of your bag or your pocket, and it doesn't add too much bulkiness. Yeah, it has a little bit of thickness, but it's not a super thick case either. It's just thick enough to give your device that good protection in case you do happen to drop it. So definitely a good protective case, definitely a good case to add some style to your device and be able to switch it up whenever you want to. Now, this case is also wireless charging compatible and reverse wireless charging compatible, and it is also screen protector friendly as well. As you can see there, I do have that tempered glass screen protector on the display right here, and it's giving you just enough gap right there to where it's not going to lift up that tempered glass screen protector that I have on the display here. But overall, the grip case is definitely a go, definitely a case that I personally use on a daily basis on pretty much all of my devices that they have these cases available for. The grip case is definitely one that's going to protect your phone and add some style to it while not adding too much bulk to your device. But if you do find yourself interested in the DBRAND grip case right here, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos I have coming for the Pixel 8 Pro right here. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.